In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can add audio in Google Docs. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
To do this, first of all, come to All Apps, then select Docs over here. So go ahead and open up Google Docs. I'll open up a blank page for this case, simple. So after opening up a blank page, what you do is quite simple. So to add music in Google Docs, you can use this insert button and then choose insert link. But you need to get the link to that music. So to get the link to that music, I recommend you open a new tab, then come to this start bar, then choose Drive. So once you choose Drive, Google Drive will then open up like this. Now, you can go ahead and upload any song you want or any music. So click on this plus icon, choose File Upload. So once you choose File Upload, you then come here. Then basically I'll search for MP3 so that all the files for MP3 are listed. Right, so after searching for that, just maybe okay, I'll select one song here, Chap Chap. Then click on open, then the song will start uploading itself. Okay, so once the song is done uploading itself, then we shall go ahead and copy its link. So you can see, guys, it's just uploading and it's almost done. Alright, so let's wait and see. So once it's done uploading, we shall just go and copy its link, then come back to our Google Docs and paste it. So it's obviously officially done. Okay, so it's done now. Alright, so once it's done, just click on it so you can expand. You don't need to ideally play it, so I'm gonna pause it from here. After that, click on share. But before you click on share, you can see here it's in private. So click on this icon. Then we shall change the share permission to allow anyone who wants to access it. Anyone with the link can access this music. Then click done. Alright, so after clicking done, again, we shall come on this icon, then copy the link. Come back to Google Docs. Then click on insert link. You can name the title as music. After that, can come back to this one again, re-edit it. Then we can come and paste our link here. The one from our Google Drive, then click apply. So if someone is reading this Google Docs, if they click here like this, on this music icon, it will load the song, you can see, and they can listen to it. So basically that's it. Thanks for watching.